YouTube, what is going on? It's Tez here, back with another video, and as you can see, we are out and about to work on the 335 again. Today we are doing something special. We're going to be installing these meganracing coilovers for E92. This is going to be my first time ever doing something like this, so I don't know exactly how long it's going to take. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long, but I looked at the reviews online and it's pretty easy. So like I said, these are from meganracing. Great quality. I think these are going for about 700 or so on eBay, whatever the case may be. Shout out to Low Boost 335 for supplying these for me. He had them, but he just had no use for them because he's going to be doing like a 15-inch conversion in the rear. So he was just like, he don't even need these. He probably just gonna put springs in the front and just leave the stock height in the rear because he's gonna be hooking and booking. So he won't rub. But without further ado, let's get into it. I'm not gonna be talking a lot. I'll try not to talk so much for this install. It's not a how-to, it's not a DIY. It's just something from my perspective, me installing stuff. So I'm gonna do a lot of time lapsing, so if you don't like time lapsing, you can click out the video, but I think it's gonna be pretty dope. Got great quality with this Hero 9. But yeah, I think the first thing we got to start to do, I'm gonna start with the rear. We got to take off this fender lining and everything and whatnot. So yeah, I hope this is not gonna take a long time. So let's get into it.
Allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next?
He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of this suicidal maniac.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, that wasn't hard at all. I just got the spring out, top piece, and the shock out. So I got to transfer the little stuff over to the new shocks right here. Comes with new hardware and everything. So about to transfer that stuff over. Let's get into it. All right, so finally we got the spring in. Now it's time to put the shock in, and you're about to see that right now. All right, so this is hours later. As you can see, we got it in there. My GoPro's on 5%, so I'll try my best to see. I'll try my best to record as much as I can, but I'm about to put on a charger. I'm starting on the left side. As you can see, I got the strut out and I got the spring out. So I just took that out. That's the old strut, that's the top, and this is about to go in. It's a new strut, and the spring is right there. So I'm about to put that in. I'm about to charge this GoPro, and you're just gonna see the after when it's done. All right, YouTube, so as you can see, we got the rear coilovers in. As you can see, done. I did this side in 30 minutes. Now that left side, I mean that right side, it took a while because I had to take off and install the spring, and because of the top hat, I didn't know that the OEM top hat piece for this kit had to go on there. So yeah, we got that in. It's on coilovers. I don't know if the ride height, I might have to adjust it, but it looks like it's still going down. I don't know, my boy has the piece to adjust it, so for right now it's good. I just gotta let it, I guess I just gotta let it settle. But I continued on with the front tonight. I'm just gonna go ahead and knock it out. Don't feel like doing it tomorrow, so might as well do it tonight. And I have a lot of energy, so I'm good. So I'm not really stressed or pressed to not do it. So about to go ahead and knock it out. Then over here, as you can see, yep, coilover and coilover. So I'm gonna get back to y'all once I, you know, make some progress or whatnot. All right, YouTube, we actually finished it. The suspension is still settling in, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, but it's way lower than what it used to be. I still have to adjust it. I don't have the things to adjust the suspension. It's with my homeboy who I got the kit from. So I have to go over there and get it from him. But as you can see right here, see, coilovers are in the front on both sides. This actually took a little while because I don't know, it just took a little while, but it wasn't hard at all. Once I did this side, like I said, it's gonna be dropping. It's just settling. It's late in the morning. It's like 2 in the morning. Still got to adjust the rear. We're gonna get that all sorted out. Do not worry. But other than that, I appreciate you guys